How to make an account on Klaviyo. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to get your own account on klaviyo.com email marketing platform. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to klaviyo.com and you will land on the official website, or you can directly go to klaviyo.com/login and it will take you right here. So you're going to click on Let's Get Started if you do not have an account on Klaviyo. In order to get started and to create an account for free, you have to enter your email address, set up a password, company name, company website, enter your phone number. Then you're going to check this, then check this reCAPTCHA and click on Get Started. This is the information that you will enter, so let me quickly fill it in like this. Click on Get Started and you will get your own account on Klaviyo. You can see this is our main dashboard and we have all of the different options to create email marketing campaigns, sign up forms, and much more. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.